Hello, and thank you for joining me on my week 5 presentation on applied behavior analysis. My the person I chose to talk about and write about for this class is Dr. James Todd. Dr. James Todd, he earned his bachelor's degree, master's degree, and PhD from the University of Kansas. He earned all of his degrees from the same college. He started working at Eastern University, at Eastern Michigan University in 1990 once he received his PhD. At this time, Dr. Todd still currently works at Eastern Michigan University. Dr. Todd written 2 books. One was named Modern Perspective on John B. Watson and Classical Behaviorism, and the other is Modern Perspective on B.F. Skinner and Contemporary Behaviorism. Dr. Todd, he participated in over 20 peer-reviewed articles. In a short time, he's been at the Michigan University. Dr. Todd, in December of 2012, he appeared on a Japanese TV station called Fiji TV, and he was a guest speaker. And on the episode, they talked about facilitated communication, and he was the expert on that topic. Then on the next slide, we will talk about the summary of work Dr. Todd. Dr. Todd has had an exclusive amount of work, but his expertise was in pseudoscientific treatment for autism, facilitated communication, and rapid prompting. And he has had several occasions when he was asked to appear in court as a consultant to act as an expert in facilitated communication. Summary of your interview. If I personally had to do an interview personally interviewed Dr. Todd, one question that I would like to know would be, what is your favorite piece of research you have done out of everything you have done, out of all the research he has done? The next question would be, what other research do you enjoy doing other than behavior analysis, being a behavior analysis and a psychologist? And I will ask that question because I know that even though it's data specific, I read that Dr. Todd had done a study on the insurance system in Colorado for the United States. Basically, he wanted to see, was there a difference between a child receiving Medicaid or private insurance from their parents or having no insurance at all. The third question I would like to ask would be, what is one skill you would like to improve on as you continue to do research? My fourth question would be, what made you pursue the field of research? Out of everything you could have done, what made you want to do research, want to look at data, want to conduct experiments? The last question I would like to ask would be, what new peer-reviewed articles are you working on, and who are some of the people that you are co-facilitating that peer review with? My last slide is, why is Dr. Todd work important to the field? I believe personally that Dr. Todd's work is important to this field because his research alone allows others the opportunity to learn from the work he has put in as a psychologist and as a behavior analysis. He also is important. It also is important because he was able to research different diagnoses and then help people like doctors and other psychologists come up with different cures and interventions to help individuals who suffer with anorexia and autism. At this time, I'm through with my presentation, and I hope you all enjoy. Thanks.